Guess who's back? Suzy. Back again. Susie's back. Tell a friend. Good afternoon, everybody. Boa tarde a todos. Me and Susie are back. We are going out today. We're going to go swimming. Going to do some paddling around. We might get the tender out. There's barely a breath of wind. It looks like it's going to be an awesome, awesome day. Come with us, guys. It's going to be a great day out. So, guys, here we are, heading out on a beautiful day. And it's probably about 4 or 5 knots of wind. Doing really well. Going to be a lovely afternoon. There's Nuno. Hi, Nuno. Looks to be a perfect day. There we go. One of the canoe boats. Takes you out on your paddle boards. Great adventure, actually. They do some really good guided tours on those things. Oh, good stuff. We also have a good day. Parasailing boat coming back in. It's all going on. Finally got some tourists here. Sea looks lovely. Go and find a nice spot to anchor, eat some lunch, have a swim. Avoid the parasailing boats, obviously.
You got a heart like a lion. You got me messed up without even trying. I thought you meant well, but you savage as hell. Telling me things we both know you regret. I should've known, should've run for the hill. Should've told me about her before you sucked me in. You thought we could be cool for the summer. You got a heart like a lion. You got me messed up without even trying. I thought you meant well, but you savage as hell. Telling me things we both know you regret. I should've known, should've run for the hill. Should've told me about her before you sucked me in. You thought we could be cool for the summer. Like a lion, you got me messed up without even trying. I thought you meant well, but you savage as hell. Telling me things we both know you regret. I should've known, should've run for the hill. Should've told me about her before you sucked me in. You thought we could be cool for the summer. You got a heart like a lion. You got me messed up without even trying. I thought you meant well.
Guess what's back? Back again. Sushi's back with my friend. Yes, guys, we're back here, just off Praia Pescadores, just outside Albufeira, just chilling. It's nice and calm here, it's always protected. We've got a few people around, sailing yacht. Another motorboat there, beautiful little thing. We're gonna eat some lunch, we're gonna have a swim, and lazy afternoon away. Hope you keep us company, guys. The time has come, the walrus said, to speak of many things. Of shoes and ships and sealing wax, of getting wet and things. Absolutely gorgeous. And there goes Susie. On her first swim, first day back. And she's off. She started the camera, so that means, you know what that means, don't you? That means it's going to be underwater shots. Bye for now, Susie. Bye for now. So on any given Thursday in the summer, this is where you'll find me, sitting on the swim platform of the yacht, chilling out. If you're looking for me, that's where I'll be. So I dodged a board meeting to do this afternoon. It's only online. Yeah, what you gonna do? I've not told them the boat has Wi-Fi and I could have dialed in. Instead, I've had an awesome lunch with Susie. She's off swimming at the moment, doing a diving, a scuba diving, or surfing or snorkeling, whatever it is. And I'm just sitting in the sunshine, soaking it all up. What a day. It's about 29, 30 degrees today. It's a little cooler than the last couple of days, if that's cool. But there's not a cloud in the sky. There's me. There's a couple of sailing yachts. And what can I say? It's a way of life I recommend. See you soon, guys. Ah, the Wanderer returns. Here she is. It came from outer space.